All right, Kev here, and I'm gonna try to explain how I learned and Jazz learned how to jump up onto like steps, which leads to like boxes at skate parks and things like that. They're both similar. This is nothing big, it's just one step, but it's challenging when you're first learning how to skate outside. It's really fun.
Well, you want to start small first, right?
Yeah, we
did. Then work up to bigger stuff,
Yeah, so we learn quickly when you're jumping up onto something, when you come up to it, you want to stay really low, feet staggered, super low, and then as you go to jump, swing your arms back and you go up and you rise up.
Oh, okay.
You know, you rise up.
Like you snap your legs up.
Snap your legs up to you. So when you land on something that's higher, you're going to be already in a crouch position, which is kind of strange at first. And me and Jazz learned quickly that you should always remember to lean forward when you do that, because you tend to, when you land up there, up on the elevated thing, you're already like this, down. And you then have to, like, it's like you're standing up, and you tend to kind of want to come back on your heels. So always remember to stay forward.
Low, and forward,
And then once you're up here, you're going to jump off the other side, which is the drop off. Same kind of thing. When you do over here, when you go down and drop off the other side over here, you're going to go up to the ledge, and then as you come up to the ledge, I don't really necessarily concentrate on trying to jump really high. I concentrate on landing and absorbing down when I land and hit the, the landing. I try to just land and go really soft and low.
Okay.
So I'm gonna explain how to do. I'm gonna demonstrate how to do it.
Okay, so he's gonna get some speed and he's gonna demo how this is done. So he's backing up into the parking lot. Here he comes toward the little ledge, onto it. Whoa! And then there he goes, off of it, getting low and softening the knees.
Soft landing.
Bending and softening. Okay.
Very soft.
All right.
So that's kind of intro to jumping these things. It's really fun to do. It's scary as hell, but it's always fun to scare yourself.
Yeah.
So if you guys like that stuff and want to learn more, have any sort of comments, suggestions, we love all that. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.